Sorka jela kalak kam bakalak don ke Jingkiew ha ke Bayade bak ke Jingdon ha ke Pisa jong ke Meecl Energy Corporation Limited Meecl bat kilak don ke Jingpelsyang ban kentiu kam ha su ya kan ba ya kan negatnat laju syak kenok barbor badai ke basyak bun karam. Uloong bak ke kam kelak yait bat kene kan sawanja bat ke Jingkiew ban penbha su ru kandang peteng. Uloong ba ketenat kedang ya tre ya kikam kuno ban kentiu ya ke Jingdon ke Pisa jong ke Meecl bat menteri rang ba la kersian kenang bat kan don keno ke Jingkiew ong menteri ketenat boarding eti Mondal.
Yes, we are working on it. Especially health department has gone out in a big way to provide solar energy for the substations, the community health centers, public health centers in rural areas where electricity connectivity is very difficult. That way is there. We will be going for a very ambitious project that is on the pipeline, is the Chief Minister's solar mission. These are there. In thermal, we don't see that we will do our own, but any private party, if they are interested, we can look forward, because energy will be available in our backyard. That will be helpful for us. We are exploring all the angles, not only thermal, even hydel. We are thinking whether the palm storage project is possible or not. If it is there, how we go about those angles we are exploring. It is not that we got sufficient and we are keeping quiet. No, we are exploring and we'll go. One thing is that we don't want to burden Meecl also. If you go for new power projects, that requires a huge investment also. So we want to see that no more further burden is given to Meecl also.